Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and setup on my new hall tree with bench and shoe storage. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, so let's start with the assembly of the hall tree. At first it might look like a lot of pieces, but trust me, the instructions are clear and all the parts are labeled, which make things a whole lot easier. Starting with the base, the pieces fit together smoothly. The frame comes together as you connect the sides and the back. The hardware is sturdy and the pre-drilled holes lined up well so you don't have to wrestle with it. The hall tree is pretty cool because it's a 5-in-1 entry organizer. We're talking a sturdy clothing rod, 7 hooks, a comfy bench with a thick cushion, a 3-compartment shoe cabinet, and a top shelf for extra storage. It's designed to tackle all the entry clutter we all have. Coats piled up, shoes everywhere. You know how it is. One thing I appreciate is the adjustable shelf in the shoe cabinet. On the right side, you can set it to 3 different heights, which is perfect for taller items like boots or even bags. The magnetic doors are a nice touch. They open and close smoothly and keep everything tucked away. As you can see, the assembly process is pretty straightforward. Once it's assembled, it feels solid and looks great. And here's what the hall tree looks fully set up. First off, the design is clean and simple. It's got that farmhouse inspired look with a touch of modern style. It fits right in no matter where you put it, your hallway, bedroom, mudroom, or even an office if you need extra storage. The bench is a game changer. It's got a thick, comfortable cushion that's perfect for sitting while you tie your shoes or just take a break. The cushion is also removable and easy to clean, which is a must if you got pets or kids. And this is what the hall tree looks like when it's loaded up. The hooks are strong enough to hold heavy coats or backpacks so you're not worrying about things falling off. The clothing rod is perfect for longer items like jackets or dresses. It keeps everything organized and wrinkle free. The shoe cabinet is super practical. The magnet doors open and close smoothly and they keep everything hidden while still being easy to access. It's not just for shoes either. You can store bags, boxes, or whatever else needs a home. This hall tree can bring a lot of style to your space. Alright guys, so there you have it. So you can see plenty of hooks on here so you can hang up your coats, your hats, different things like that. And then you saw the shoe storage at the bottom. So if you guys are looking for a new entryway bench with shoe storage, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.